Okay, who do we got? We got, this is Val's group. I have 4. We got Olive. Sushi baby. Hi, Sush. We have Kawani. And handsome Valentino. And his little harem. His little harem. There's a Val. Val in his harem. There it goes. There we go. Okay. Sushi. Val. Valentino. I think he's coming. Come on, Val. Hi, buddy. This is a treat. Not a turd. Little treat. Come on. What is that? What are we doing? Hi, who's this? Hi. And we have, there she is. Come on in. Oh, someone's coming. There you go. Hello, good morning. And this is for Lori. Here's my beautiful bracelet. Where is everybody? Who's over here? Over here. Sushi. Sushi. There goes Val. Where's it going? Some water? Let's get a drink. Valentino. There he goes. Val. Hi, buddy. He's so happy. Oh, there's a good one. Hi, Val. Here's Val. And Miss Olive. What is Miss Olive doing? Miss Olive? Here's Sushi. Hey, Donnie's girl. Sushi. Hello. What are you doing? Dinky. Oh, give kisses. Oh. Hello. Hello, pretty girl. Come on. What is she doing? What is Sushi doing? Say hi, Mom. We love you. Hello. Who's that? Good morning. Olive. Valentino, come here. Hello. Hello, Val. Okay, everybody say hi, Mom. I miss you. Say hi, Mom. I miss you. Say we love you. Oh. Say we love you. We love you, Lori. Lori. I miss you. Hello, Sushi girl. I love you, Mom. Love you. Bye.